Ahmad Ali Khan of grade studying in Gurukulam Global Residential School. Today I am going to do a science experiment on combustion and flame. Now I have a candle and a glass tumbler. Now I am going to light up the candle. I have lit up the candle. Now I am going to close with the glass tumbler. Let's see what happens.
My name is Yashashwini. I am studying grade 8 at Gurukulam Global Residential School. Now you can see that the candle flame is slowly getting off. In this activity, we come to know that without oxygen, the combustion do not takes place. The candle is made up of wax. When we close the glass tumbler on the candle, the oxygen in the surrounding is going off in a while. This is the science experiment which I made on combustion and flame. Thank you.